It started off as a dream, and it became something so much more. We wanted to share our traditional way of cooking, our authentic, handmade recipes developed in Mexico that brought families together. In 2016, we started Ambriza Social Mexican Kitchen. It represents that homage to our grandparents. It represents family. It represents what's important to us in our culture. We use only the freshest ingredients, produce locally sourced, meats responsibly raised. We do not use tenderizer in our fajitas, and our tortillas are made in-house every day. But it's not only about where it comes from, but how it's handled. The temperatures remain consistent, always fresh, never frozen. We use top-shelf tequila in all of our margaritas. We hand squeeze our limes, lemons, and oranges every single day. The quality of our drinks has allowed us to win multiple Best Margarita awards. And even better, it allows us to see the smiles in our guests' faces as they dine and drink with us. We want to transform your dining experience. Show you new ways of what's possible. From the explosion of flavors in our food to our ambience and hospitality. Experience our restaurant and you'll understand exactly why Ambriza is dramatically different.